Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to English class. Last class, we had learned the story We Are Different. So, which are the two characters of the story? Zimbo and Kitty. They are best friends. They were always spending time together. Suddenly, one day, Kitty stops talking to Zimbo. Let's read the other half story and find out why Kitty is avoiding Zimbo. Are you all ready? Okay. One day, Zimbo goes to Kitty. Tell me, Kitty, why don't you talk to me? Mickey says that we cannot be friends because we are different. You are not one of us, says Kitty. Zimbo thinks for some time and says, Okay, come with me for a ride. I will show you something. So, what happened? Zimbo felt very sad and went to Kitty and asked him, Why, Kitty, why are you not talking to me? So, what did Kitty answer? He said, Mickey says that we cannot be friends. So, why Kitty is not talking to Zimbo? It was because of Mickey. Because Mickey says that they can't be friends because they are different. And uh, Kitty says that Zimbo, you are not one of us. You are a giraffe and I'm a squirrel. We both are different. So we can't be friends. So Zimbo thinks for some time and later he says, Okay, come with me for a ride. I will show you something. So what happened? Zimbo thought for some time and then he said, Okay, now come. Let's I will take you to a ride and I will show you something. So let's see what Zimbo is going to show Kitty. Kitty thinks for a few seconds and then hops on Zimbo's back. Zimbo goes to the lake in the middle of the jungle. Look, Kitty, can you see Gappu, the monkey? Yes, it is sitting on Jumba, the elephant. Correct. Every time he needs a shower, he climbs onto Jumba's back. Okay, now Kitty, when Zimbo called Kitty, Kitty thought for a few seconds, should I go or should I not go? Then later he decides to go and hops on Zimbo's back. And later Zimbo takes him to a lake in the middle of the jungle. So later Zimbo says, Look, Kitty, can you see Gappu, the monkey? So here Gappu is a monkey. So Zimbo is asking Kitty that can you see Gappu? Where is he? So Kitty says, Yes, he is sitting on Jumba, the elephant. Here Jumba is a elephant. Okay. So Gappu is sitting on Jumba on the elephant. So Zimbo says, correct. Every time he needs a shower, he climbs onto Jumba's back. Whenever he wants to have a shower, he will climb on whom? On Jumba's back, on an elephant, isn't it? Jumba and Gappu play together even though they are different. After some time, they reach a spot where there is a plant with beautiful flowers. On one of the flowers is settled a lovely butterfly. Watch the butterfly. His name is Rangila. So what happened? Now Jumba and Gappu played together even though they are different. Who is saying this? Zimbo is saying. Zimbo is saying to Kitty, see, Jumba and Gappu are playing together though they are different. They are an elephant and a monkey. They are not of same kind. They are different, but they play together. So after some time, they reach a spot where there is plant with beautiful flowers. On one of the flower is settled a lovely butterfly. So what happened? They went to a place where there were plants and there were beautiful flowers. So they saw on a flower there was a lovely butterfly. So Zimbo said, "Watch the butterfly. His name is Rangila." Yeah, so the name of the butterfly is Rangila. Kitty looks at Rangila. His wings are bright. It looks as if a slice of a rainbow has come down to earth. So Zimbo says, Rangila comes often and drinks the nectar from these flowers. They enjoy each other's company, though they are different. Kitty nods his head. So what happened? Kitty looks at Rangila. Rangila is so beautiful. Her wings are bright. It looks like a slice of rainbow has come down to earth. So it was butterfly is so beautiful. And now Zimbo says that Rangila comes often and brings the nectar from these flowers. Nectar is a juice which you get it from flowers. Okay, so you have seen honeybee and butterfly always sitting on a flower, isn't it, children? So they come to drink the nectar from the flower. Okay, so they enjoy each other's company, though they are different. Who is saying this? Zimbo is saying to Kitty. See, Rangila is a butterfly and he often comes to the flower to drink the nectar. They enjoy each other company, but they are different. So Kitty nods his head. He says, yeah, you're right. And he nods his head. I am sorry, Zimbo. I realize though we are not like each other, we like each other. That is why we are best friends. Kitty climbs on Zimbo's head and slides down his neck. Very soon the sound of pee echoes in the jungle, far and wide. Yes. So what happened here? So Kitty realizes and says sorry to Zimbo. I realize though we are not like each other, we like each other. So Kitty is saying Zimbo that we are not same. We are not squirrel. We are giraffe and a squirrel, but we like each other. That's why we are best friends. Okay, so Kitty realizes that Zimbo is not a squirrel, but Kitty likes Zimbo. So what he says, we like each other, so we are best friends. And Kitty climbs on Zimbo's head and slides down his neck. So what happened? He was missing the slide. So suddenly he climbs up Zimbo's head and slides down his neck. Very soon the sound whee echoes in the jungle far and wide. So those two, that is Zimbo and Kitty, again became best friends. Did you all enjoy the story? Now you can also read the same story from your textbook and practice at home. Okay, see, can you see Kitty and Zimbo here? They are happy. Yeah, see Rangila here? Yes, it is drinking the juice from the nectar. Okay, yeah, now they are best friends. So even at home you can practice the story. Okay, Thank you, children. Meet in the next class.